Hello, today I would like us to brew coffee using the Clever Dripper coffee maker. Using a Clever Dripper is one of the easiest way of brewing coffee. It's not that complicated. All you need is a Clever Dripper. You need a container for our coffee. The Clever Dripper has a stopper at the bottom whereby it needs to sit on a container so that the coffee drips into the container. We're going to use a Clever Dripper filter paper. So we fold it on the side. It has two sides where you can fold so that it can fit into the Clever Dripper, just as you see. So we're going to use freshly roasted beans. So we start by pre-wetting our paper filter. We pre-wet our paper filter so that we can remove the paper taste. Then we're going to use 20 grams of coffee. We're going to grind our coffee on a medium fine grind size. After grinding our coffee, so as you see, it's a medium fine grind size. So we pour it in our Clever Dripper. We tally our weighing scale. So we'll start by our first pour, which is 50 ml of water. We're going to let it sit until 40 seconds. This is our brewing period. It helps in the degassing of the coffee. So we have to ensure all the grinds are wet. So at 40 seconds, then we're going to pour our second pour. We're going to pour 150 ml of water in a circular motion to ensure all the grinds are wet and well soaked. So we'll let it sit until 3 minutes. At this time, you can do anything else as the coffee continues to brew. So at 2 minutes, we're going to prepare our ice. We're going to use 100 grams of ice. We first put the ice into the jug or the container we're going to use. Then we place our Clever Dripper on top of the jug. This helps to push the stopper and the coffee will start flowing into the jug. So we place our Clever Dripper on top of our jug. So when we place it on top of our jug, the jug pushes the stopper so that the coffee starts flowing into the jug. We let it until it drips to the final drop. So at 3 minutes and 30 seconds, our brew is complete. As you can see, our coffee is finished. So today we brewed uniced coffee. We mix it a little bit so that the ice can mix well with the coffee. So it's time to test our coffee. As you can see, this is one of the way you can brew coffee. It's not that complicated and you can have a really good tasting cup of coffee. So if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up for me. For any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Until next time, thank you.